cold outside.
So cold.
Yeah.
I'm ready to lay on the floor.
The truck is gonna stay in the shop tonight. Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team.
Hi.
And tonight we gotta take the carburetor off of the sno-cat, clean that out. But Mara's got something in the mail she wants to show you.
First thing is this. And yes, I'm walking away from you. But you all know I love my charities. And one of my charities is the Jeeps Unite. So my friends at Jeep Unite messaged me and asked if they could send me some shirts. And I said, yes, no problem. I would love to wear your guys' shirts. And they also sent a cash donation for Blondie.
Yeah.
But here is their new shirt.
That's right. Jeeps Unite is a very good friend of ours. We haven't actually met yet, but...
They're wonderful guys. You know, I track them, I follow them, I watch what they do, and if you guys don't know who they are, you know, look them up. They help the EMTs, the fire department, you know, all the emergency departments that can't get to crisis, and they use their own Jeeps to go and bring the fire department and EMTs to these bad situations.
Yes, in bad weather conditions.
Wanna see what I got?
What?
You wanna see what I got? See this box? See this box?
Yep.
I have another box like it. You wanna see what's inside?
I bet you I know what that is.
You hush! You hush! I'll tell you what it is.
Right here.
Thank you. So let's get down to this. It's newspaper. I ordered lots and lots of newspaper.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, that's what it is. It's nothing spectacular, it's just newspaper.
Huh.
Serious. See?
Yeah?
Here's some newspaper.
Oh, okay. Well, that's July 8th and 9th.
See?
Yep. I know what those are for.
See, there's instructions and you better read them. Oh wait, I better read them. Because I know what they're for too. I'm not pulling it out of the box, guys, but it's my rear disc brake set.
Yes.
And this is the other one. So, guess what I'll be doing? My rear brakes!
Yep.
So, anyways, I have my own things to do now.
Okay, well, take that off.
Don't lose that.
No. And we gotta take this off.
Want a smaller one?
Grab the...
Oh, yeah. Oof. Remember, she's got fuel in her.
Yep. Yeah, we gotta get...
I found it. Don't. Ooh. Got it.
Okay.
That's tiny.
Yep.
Tiny, tiny, tiny.
So is this one. Okay. Now I need a wrench.
A wrench? What kind of wrench? That looks like a 9/16. No,
It's half, I think.
half. I don't know what to do with me. All right.
You get it?
Oh, I'm trying to be careful with all these lines. But yes, I got it.
Okay.
These are a weird spot to put bolts.
No, carburetor bolts are always tough.
Yippee, look what I get to look forward to.
You get a fuel injection.
Oh, good. So you know what that means.
What?
I gotta get my axles over there.
Yep, we got to get your rear axle out and built. And disc brake conversion on.
Have you found tires for me yet?
No, I haven't found any tires yet.
Oh, man.
Haven't really been looking.
Well, if you come home one day and the Bobcat tires are gone, I don't know what happened to them.
No, you don't want to use the Bobcat tires.
They fit. Okay. I could do that.
You could do this.
Yeah, it sounds like you're breaking your knuckles. I know you're breaking them all free.
Yep.
But it sounds like you're breaking your knuckles.
Okay, now. Take that little thing out. Take the little cotter pin out and the washer off and take that rod off, please.
Okay.
And then that
Down there,
cotter pin
too?
out and take that rod off. Since you can see better than I can.
Mm-hmm. Hopefully you got more small cotter pins.
Yeah, I do.
Good. This one's getting all bent up. It's coming out, but it's getting all bent up. Can I flip this?
Yeah. Gas is gonna come out, but yeah.
Gas was coming out before.
I think you squeezed it enough, it'll come out the other way now.
Maybe. Yes. And there's
Okay.
no...
Oh, now we get to take the top of it off. And see how bad we are. Yep, it's ugly.
How are you gonna clean that now?
Carb cleaner?
Do you want me to clean these?
Sure. Take them over the floor drain over there. They'll be all right. Just clean them off. Try not to bend anything.
I'm trying not to.
Don't lose that pin. Let me take that out. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, that's ugly.
How do you like? A little better.
Okay, good.
Clean.
Yeah. Don't bend that tab.
I'm not.
Okay. That had to be 2-cycle gas. I think that's about as clean as we're gonna get it.
Yep.
Now comes the fun part. You got them both through?
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll,
Can you handle that?
yep.
Okay.
Now we gotta flip the ends off.
You're in my drawer.
Yep.
That means you're grabbing my nippers.
Yep. They're smaller and sharper than mine.
Because they're newer too.
I need a 1/2 inch. Up on the sno-cat.
These are the ones I like.
Okay. Ready to put it back on?
Don't you need that?
Nope. I put the new one in.
Oh. All right, let's put it back on.
Okay. Let's screw it back down. See what happens.
Yep.
Don't drop your nuts.
I'm not trying to drop my nuts. My nuts. I need some WD-40.
What for?
I don't know. Yeah, you're faster than me.
A little bit. Okay.
I got the new one.
Yep. There you go.
Okay.
And this one goes right there.
With this. Right? I don't know how that one works.
Just like that.
Huh. Very interesting. Don't put the, or it is on already.
Yep. There you go.
Thank you. Not too tight.
I'll tighten it up. Okay. Well, shall we see if it starts? It runs again. Starts right up. It's idling. So, shall we check out that hydraulic leak?
You little.
Yeah, it looks like just a fitting.
That's what I'm thinking.
Okay.
I'll do the biggest one first. It wasn't small.
Oh, that's too big.
Too big?
Yep.
Me and Joe.
That feels like it's tight. Hand me the 15/16. Oh. That's tight. Well, that fitting's tight. I'm thinking it's not quite the right one. I have to figure that out.
Oh, here you go. Oh.
Well, it runs again.
What are you doing? Oh, I didn't tell you. You got a package.
Oh, my wiper blades. We better put them on.
Yeah. How do you know which one's which?
Oh, they're the same.
Really?
Yep.
Wow, what do you do?
Give me a littler one.
Oh.
Yeah, there's a nut on the back side.
Yeah, it's a tiny one.
Yeah. Well, I am glad they don't make wipers like this anymore.
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now put the hood proper.
That's the rear wiper. Where's the front wipers?
Lights.
Oh, there they are. They don't work either.
Great.
Well, we got new wiper blades, but the wipers don't work.
Well, they'll be fixing that.
Well, we got new wiper blades. They're on, but the wipers don't work. So that'll have to go on the fix-it list. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods. Oh, it's cold out here. Whoo, it's cold out.